Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're already, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and become a member. Also smash the like button and the notification button to be notified when I ever make class if you like this one. So today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Yay! So it's one of my favorite games. Usually it's very fun. So it's like discover trophies and mystery boxes, things like that. Like it even says it down there, it's very funny. But, that looks like something that, Kinley, that looks like something, that girl looks just like, Meghan Trainor. That girl's face looks just like Meghan Trainor's. Never mind. No, they're not. They're making just a weird thingy. So I follow the coins usually. So it's very fun. Okay, so the word is flow, so I have to get an L or an L. Oh, crud. Fly, I don't like you, so get away from me. Sorry, I was talking to the fly. Anyway. You made me die, you dumb fly. I don't need the Facebook. Let's go to me. I'm saving up for this one. That one's cute. That looks so good for lipstick. I can't. Let's play. Oh. Havana, all of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. You and your skeleton dog came out of nowhere. Your dog's ugly, by the way. You dumb whistle blower. There was an L. Mother Cracker. Mother of crackers. Pause this video real quick. I need to drink some Mountain Dew. I mean, not Mountain Dew, what the heck. Normal people. That's me. Oh, mother. What did I just press?
Oh my god, he's so hot.
Oh my god, you like him? How are you doing? How are you doing, Cool? So, do you like cheese? So we got an L. This game is pretty fun. Totally recommend it. Also, I like the... Oh, crud. So guys, when I die, it's gonna... Oh, crud. What the heck? I was trying to get all my coins. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment, like that. Also, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.